We all know on 15th June 2026, armed military operative abducted senior counsel Erias Lukwago, who is an advocate of the Courts of Judicature and is the former Lord Mayor of Kampala and is the president of the People's Front for Freedom from his residence at Wakaliga, Kampala, on the orders of the Chief of Defense Forces, the CDF. This is not the first time an advocate is being abducted. On the 10th of December 2024, security personnel seized retired Major Ronald Iguli, then a member of the defense team, from his home at Bulenga at about 4 a.m. on the eve of the court appearance that we had in the General Court Martial on the 7th of January 2025. We remember that day. Also, security operatives assaulted Advocate Kizza at the General Court Martial while he represented the accused person. We have about 4 demands. The first demand is the immediate and unconditional release of Counsel Erias Lukwago or his production before a competent court within 48 hours, as is provided for under Article 23 4 of the Constitution. He should be released within 48 hours or presented in court. The second demand is the immediate disclosure by the CDF of Counsel Lukwago's whereabouts and unimpeded access to him by his family, his physician, and his lawyers. The third demand, that those responsible for today's abduction or those responsible for Counsel Lukwago's abduction of whatever rank be held accountable according to the law. As lawyers, we stick to the law. Lawyers are officers of court, as we all know. This includes advocates, judges. We are all officers of court. We are not agents of clients or their conduct or anything. We are all officers of court. We therefore call upon the judicial of Uganda, and especially the Chief Justice, Honorable Zeija Flavian, to break its silence over the abduction and the violence against its own officers. And we call upon the Uganda Law Society, the Uganda Human Rights Commission, the East African Law Society, the Pan-African Lawyers Union, the African Commission on Human and People's Rights, the East African Court of Justice, and the wider international community to intervene without delay. The rule of law must hold. Military neutrality and subordination to civilian authority are not negotiable. Uganda cannot become a state in which soldiers act as judge, jury, and executioner. Thank you.